I'm a sales representative for Klaus Larsen Roofing. I also do gutter shutter installs for him. I like the training. Klaus really takes the time and trains his people properly to get out there and do installs especially. And same thing with sales. He's constantly bringing in new people to train us new ways to be better. Believe it or not, I like the gutter installs. I like going to people's houses, taking some pretty shoddy gutters off their property, putting on a brand new, excellent product. It really does make the house look nice, and they appreciate it. They're very involved in the process, and we like to give them what they pay for. Yeah, I drive by quite a few installers in my area. Basically, jobs that I've had in the past, I was always up against Klaus's his proposals, and customers were constantly going with him, and there must have been a reason. So I had to come here for myself and take a look and see what the reason was, and I'm glad I did.
My favorite part about working at Klaus Larsen Roofing is probably just the way we do things, that just not cutting corners, doing everything the correct way, having the freedom to do what I know is correct goes a long way with me. I love working here at Klaus because it's like family. Klaus treats everyone like family. Even people who, from the newest employee to the oldest employee, Klaus treats everyone the same, and he's always very welcoming and friendly. So it just makes it a lot more fun to come to work.
At Klaus Larsen Roofing, I do in-home estimates, and I'm a sales representative for them. I like working at Klaus Larsen Roofing for multiple reasons. One, I really enjoy helping people. I enjoy solving problems, and I get a chance every day to help homeowners, and I just get a lot of satisfaction, and to have this company behind us and the products that we offer, I feel really confident and good with what I offer people and how I help people. My favorite part about my job is helping people. I love to solve problems. I've been in the construction industry for years, and I was working in commercial construction before this, so I love to solve problems, and I get a lot of gratification from helping homeowners and seeing that smile on their face at the end of the day when we help them. So, like I said, I've been in the industry for a long time, and I can go to a lot of different companies, but I choose to come here every day just because of the way he treats his employees, the way he treats his customers, and the way that he structures the business to really help his employees. And I feel like I'm really helping people and helping our customers and providing the best product that we can on the market.